Good morning students, how are you? I hope you are fit and fine. So students, today we are going to learn about adjective describing words. Okay? Describing words describe person, animals, place and things means noun. Okay? So describing words describe person, animals, place and things, and describe words tell about shape, size and color also. Okay, and describing word tell about us things, how many. Okay, means special quality. Yes, so let's start. Tall boy. Okay, tall boy. So tell about special qualities. Boy is tall. Okay, so tall is a describing word. Describe about this boy. Fat hen. Fat hen. Who is fat? Hen, है ना? Fat hen. So fat is hen. Fat word is describing words, है ना? Describe this quality of hen. Okay. Long tree. Long tree. Long tree. So long word is describe of tree, है ना? Tree long. Yellow mango. Yellow mango. Who is yellow? Mango. So quality is yellow. Which quality is? Mango's quality is yellow. And tall boys. Who is tall? Boy tall. And tall is describing words about person, boy. Fat, long, yellow. Sugar is sweet. Sugar स्वीट. सो स्वीट क्या है? शुगर. यहाँ पे जो एडजेक्टिव है इट मीन्स वी कैन से इन हिंदी जो हमारी क्वालिटी बताता है. किसकी क्वालिटी? एनिमल्स, पर्सन, प्लेस एंड थिंग्स या बिग सिटी. ओके, जयपुर इज ए बिग सिटी. तो बिग सिटी. यस, लुक दिस बिग सिटी. ओके, तो बिग इज डिस्क्राइब इज क्वालिटी इज सिटी. तो बिग सिटी. तो बिग इज वर्ड्स. विच वर्ड्स इज डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स इन सिटी. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. टॉल बॉय, फैट hen, लॉन्ग ट्री एंड येलो मैंगो. येलो मैंगो. अंडरस्टैंड दिस. एंड नेक्स्ट इज this is like this kite. Kite is naming words now, and kite is naming word and describe words is red. Okay, red kite है ना. तो kite is naming word and red is describing words. So red kite. Okay, and next is रेड एप्पल. रेड एप्पल. ठीक है, तो ये एप्पल की क्वालिटी है कि वो एप्पल कैसा है? रेड. अंडरस्टैंड दिस. दिस इज नाउन एंड दिस इज डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अंडरस्टैंड दिस. एंड टी हॉट. तो जो हॉट है वो क्या है हमारा? डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स. आइसक्रीम कोल्ड. कोल्ड इज डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स. स्काई blue. So blue is describing words. Okay, so describing word describe person, animals, place and things, and describing words tell about shape, size and color also, and describing words also tell us how many. Okay, how many, like this look, how many kites? How many kites? So 3 kites. 3 kites. Okay, 3 kites. So 3 is describing word. Understand? This is nouns, but 3 is describing word. Kitni kite? How many kites? 3 kites. Okay. And apple is red. Grapes sweet. तो grapes कैसे हैं? Sweet हैं. Sweet means describing word and grapes is nouns. And cow. Cow is big. Cow, animals and describing word is big. Like this. Mouse. Mouse is animals, है ना? Means naming words. And small. Small is describing words. So tall, small, hot, cold, and color and size. You are tall and your father is big and your elephant is big. So big is describing word. Mouse is small, so small is describing words. And tree, small tree, big tree, है ना? And long and short also. Okay. So these are size, color, shapes and how many is are called describing words. Okay. I am repeat again. Describing words describe person. Okay. Describe person like this. Tall boy. Okay. Animals, fat hen. And place, big city. And size, colors and things also. Kite, है ना? Red kite, 3 kites. How many pencils? How many pencils? 2 pencils, 3 pencils, 1 pencil. So like this, describe this word. Okay, understand this? So some words I am right there, and you are understand this. Yes, look. Naming words. Okay, and next is describing word. Describing words. Look. Apple. Okay, apple and red. So red is describing word. Okay, next is man and tall man. So tall is describing word. Okay, mango, yellow is describing word. Okay, ice cream, hot and cold. So cold is describing word. Ice cream is cold. Okay, and next is tree, small. Mouse. Okay, mouse and small. So mouse is small and small is describing word. And pencil short, long and short. So pencil is short. So short is describing word. Okay, and hair long, hair long. Okay, so long is describing word. Okay, and dog is fat, fat. So describing word is fat. Understand students? Describing words describe naming words, person, animals, place and things, and describing words tell about shape, size and color also, and describing words tell about us how many, okay, how many, yeah, like this, pen, 3. So tell us number, है ना, how many pen, 3. तो यहाँ पे हो गया pens, okay. Understand these describing words? In हिंदी वह शब्द जो किसी चीज़, किसी व्यक्ति, किसी वस्तु की विशेषता बताता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? इन इंग्लिश बोलेंगे एडजेक्टिव, एंड इन हिंदी हम बोलेंगे उसकी विशेषता बताता है, मीन्स विशेषण या डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड। आम मीठा है, संतरा जूसी है, ठीक है। वॉच जो क्लॉक होती है आपकी दीवार घड़ी, उसका शेप कैसा होता है? सर्कल भी होता है ना, एंड स्क्वायर भी होता है। बैंगल ये हमारी चूड़ियों का साइज क्या, शेप क्या है? सर्कल है, ठीक है। तो जो डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स है वो शेप, साइज और कलर भी बताता है। तो यहाँ पे आपको ध्यान देना है कि एप्पल रेड, ग्रेप्स ग्रीन, है ना, या स्वीट भी स्पीक कर सकते हो। मैंगो येलो, ओके। हेयर लॉन्ग, ओके, या शॉर्ट आल्सो। पेंसिल स्मॉल या बिग या लॉन्ग शॉर्ट आल्सो। हैंड फैट, ओके, एंड बॉय थिन। अंडरस्टैंड? मैन टॉल and car big, okay, and ball small. Understand this? So naming words and describing words, and today's your work is read chapter number 6 describing word, okay, and identity words and describing words also, ठीक है। So understand this, describing words describe person, animals, places and things, means naming words, okay, and these are describing words. These are naming words and these are describing words. So apple red, man tall, mango yellow, ये आप स्पीक कर सकते हैं। red apple, tall man, है ना, yellow mango, cold ice cream, mouse small, small mouse, long pencil, okay, long hair, and fat dog, and 3 pens. Understand this? So I hope you understand today's topic describing words. So student, today's your work, these sentences write in your notebook, and these words, naming words and describing words, write down in your notebook and read and write and learn also, and understand this what I am saying, okay. Understand? So one time I speak again. Describing words describe person, animals, things, okay, and places, means naming words and noun, okay. And next is describing words also tell us color, size, shapes, and also tell about how many, कि वह मात्रा में कितनी है या नंबर में कितनी है, ठीक है। तो मीन्स टेल अबाउट इज हाउ मैनी पेंसिल्स, हाउ मैनी मैंगोज, एंड हाउ मैनी काइट्स, ओके, हाउ मैनी गर्ल्स, हाउ मैनी ब्रदर्स, हाउ मैनी सिस्टर्स आल्सो, एंड शेप्स इज सर्कल, स्क्वायर, ट्राइंगल, रेक्टेंगल्स, ओके। साइज इज स्मॉल, बिग, है ना, फैट, थिन, लॉन्ग, शॉर्ट, एंड कलर रेड, येलो, ग्रीन, ओके, पिंक, लाइक दिस। टुडेज आई एम वेयर इज ब्लू साड़ी, ओके। सो ब्लू साड़ी, तो कलर इज डिस्क्राइब कि हु इज विच कलर। अंडरस्टैंड दिस? एंड tell us how many, and how many means these are pens, how many books, how many tables, how many chairs and how many pencils. Okay, and shapes circle, square, triangle, rectangle, and size I also speak, big, small, short, long. Okay, so these are words, naming words, and these are describing word. Okay, so today is your work. Read and write this work in and write down in your notebook and understand this. Okay, thank you so much, students.